Hey, how you all doing? Welcome back to another video in which we will demonstrate how to use and how to install Zphisher on your Kali Linux and virtual machine. So first we need to know that we're just going to use Zphisher in only educational purposes, and we don't want to harm anyone, and we are just using it for educational purposes. In today's video, we're going to demonstrate how to install and use Zphisher in your Kali Linux. So first of all, open your virtual machine and just enter in your Kali Linux virtual machine. Let it load up. After it loads up, you need to go to your browser, which is Firefox. After Firefox opens up, just open a new tab and paste the link of Zphisher, or just type in Zphisher GitHub, and you will find Zphisher over here. Just click on the first link, and here you go. Here's the Zphisher, and here are all its installation steps. So first you need to open up your terminal. This is my terminal. I will make it a side-by-side so you guys can see easily. Okay, and here. So I like to install all my applications into an application folder. Okay, what do you need to do? You just need to copy the first command. Okay, and you need to paste it by pressing Ctrl, Shift and V and just click Enter. Okay, I have already installed it. That's why it's giving me an error that Zphisher is already installed. Then what you need to do, you need to change directory. You need to go into Zphisher directory. You can do this and you can press Tab. And now you can do ls and you see all the files of Zphisher. Now what you need to do, you just need to type in bash zphisher.sh and you just click Enter. And Zphisher is running. Now we need to wait. Now Zphisher is run. So what is Zphisher? Basically, Zphisher is a tool for phishing, and it will create a phishing links of all the listed platforms over here, and it will generate pages. And once you enter, or you can send it to your victim, and once he or she enters his password and username, it will be given to you. Okay, so for the demo, we can do Instagram. We can click on second option and just click on Enter. Now we can do auto followers, login page, traditional login page, 1,000 followers login page, and Blue Badge Verifier login page. We will do Blue Badge Verifier login page. Click 4. Now we can run it on localhost or Cloudflare or local expose. We will just do it on localhost for now because we have not set up Cloudflare or local expose. So we just do it on localhost. Enter. Do you want a custom port? So we will select no. If you want it, you can select yes. The page is hosted on our local host, so we can just type in 127.00.1 by the port 8080. We just go over here and this is our page. So once we get to the page, our IPs, our original IP is stored into authip.txt, victim IP found victim IP and saved it in the thing. Okay, since we are visiting it on localhost, that's why our IP is also localhost, then we can just click on apply now and we can do whatever we're here. Now this is our account email and password. So if I give any random email like random@gmail.com, and if I give my password like 123456, okay, and then submit it, I will get my email over here and the password is over here. The email and passwords are like saved in the usernames and passwords file, okay? And mail confirmation, confirm email, and then we can type in our email, okay? And we will found another email over here. Okay, so it will do it again and again until we reach the thing, and after that, it will redirect us to the original Instagram page, so people will think that it's not fake. Okay, so this was Zphisher. This was the basic demonstration of Zphisher, how you can get it and how you can install and run this thing. And if you also want some free cybersecurity or any other courses, you can join our Discord server, which will be link given in the bio or link given in the description. You can join our Discord server. This is our Discord server, and it contains all the things like such as free courses. Here you can see all the free courses, free tools that you can claim. Here we have all the free tools that you can claim. Here we have ebooks that you can claim, the useful websites that you can check out. And we also have our membership plans that you can buy if you want to, or you can proceed with the free stuff. Here we have paid courses, paid tools like rats, stealers, botnets and all, only for educational purposes, of course. And then we have ebooks, which you can also buy. So these are all the hacking ebooks. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we will be coming up with some banger content in the future. So stay tuned and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below on which tool we will make the next video on. And let me know if you guys like the video, and let me know what changes I can make in my video. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. Till then, take care, everyone, and I will catch you in the next one.